Welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Shaima. Let us bake a yummy cake today. I am going to make a car cake. I am making eggless sponge cake today. This cake is made for my son Ayush's birthday. I have already made few cakes in this channel, the Dalgona coffee cake and vanilla pastry cake to celebrate the channel's 1000 subscribers. The cake lovers can see that videos also. I had placed the link in the description. Let us see the ingredients needed. Maida 1 cup. 1 cup is 250 ml. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. 1 pinch salt. Half cup powdered sugar. Half cup curd. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Quarter cup vegetable oil. Quarter cup milk. Whipping cream. Let us start making it. In the first stage, we can prepare the cake batter. For that, take a bowl, add powdered sugar to this, add half cup curd to this, mix this with a hand whisk. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and beat for a minute. Add quarter cup vegetable oil and beat this for 2 minutes. After the oil got completely mixed, add quarter cup milk to this and mix. Now we can add dry ingredients to this. Take 1 cup maida. I used a strainer here. From this, take out 1 tablespoon maida and add same quantity corn flour to this. The cake will be very soft by adding corn flour. Add this to the strainer. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda and 1 pinch salt. Mix this well and strain this. Mix this. If required, add 1 or 2 tablespoon milk to this and mix it. The batter should be in this consistency. The cake batter is ready. Now we can bake this. Take a cake tin, grease it with butter paper. Pour cake batter slowly to cake tin. Do not fill the batter completely into the tin. Fill it halfway only. Tap it 3 to 4 times to remove the air bubbles. Now bake this at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated convection microwave oven. Bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Your cake is ready now. Check the cake with a toothpick. If the toothpick is sticky, the cake needs more baking. You can place it in oven and bake it for 5 to 10 more minutes. Here my toothpick is clean, so your cake is properly baked. Remove the butter papers from sides. Take it out from cake tin. Remove the butter paper. The cake is very soft and spongy. With the same measurement, I made one more cake here. 2 cakes needed to make our car cake. Keep the cakes aside and allow this to cool. Now we can prepare the cream required for icing the cake. The detailed process of whipping the cream is explained in my last video, Vanilla Pastry Cake. The link is placed on the card and description for your convenience. Take a bowl, add 2 cups whipping cream. Beat this for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and beat it in high speed. Within 4 to 5 minutes, the cream got whipped properly. Now take the cakes. It's in normal temperature now. Let us cut the cake. Make it in a car shape as per your like. I am making the shape of lightning MC Queen style. My son like this. I am cutting this cake into 2 layers. Take a turntable. Add few whipping creams in the center. Keep cake base on top of this. Pour sugar syrup on top. Sugar syrup is added to make the cake softer. To make sugar syrup, take a pan. Add half cup sugar to 3/4 cup of water. Then boil it. Allow this to cool. Spread the whipped cream on top of this. Add another cake sheet. Repeat the process. Take one piece from another cake. Join this with first cake. Cut the cake into this shape. Keep this in center. Add spoilers like this. Now do crumb coating. Now the crumb coating is completed. Keep this cake in fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can do icing on this cake. You can decorate the cake as per your likes. Add the cream in a piping bag and decorate the cake. Add red food color to the remaining cream. Transfer this to piping bag. I used a small star nozzle to do this decoration. You can decorate the cakes as per your like. Use different color for windows. Make headlamps. Write the name. For the wheel, I used dark chocolate biscuits. Draw like this on top of biscuits. Make eyes also. You can use your skills to decorate the cake. Now our tasty car cake is ready. This is an eggless cake. Try it out and share with your dear ones. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Cooking with Shaima. I will be coming with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.